And our vegetables are nice and ready. I don't know if you can see this in the camera, but we have corn, we have black beans, we have onions, red peppers, mushroom with a little bit of olive oil. Okay. So I didn't add much salt and pepper because we do have seasoning in the hummus itself. Now we're just going to wrap our burrito. So in doing so, I'm going to put this to the side. And what I'm using is a whole wheat wrap. It's a nice size wrap, about 8 inches wide. This can actually give you about 2 servings, so be mindful of how much you consume. We want to make sure that our meal is balanced. This is our carbohydrates. Fiber in our carbohydrates comes from the whole wheat. We have a lot of vegetables. Note there are no animal proteins being used, but we do have beans and mushrooms and chickpeas, which are an excellent source of protein. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is take my wrap, place it down onto the table. I'm going to take about a tablespoon of hummus and just spread it over onto the wrap. Want a nice generous serving of it because we do want to give it some flavor. And I'm only putting it on one side of the wrap as well. And doing so is because I want all the vegetables to line up on one side, and then I'm going to wrap it across, okay? And then I'm going to take some of my sauteed vegetables, this onions, red peppers, corn. So, sorry, actually, I'm skipping a step. We're going to use some fresh spinach. Actually, spinach is great for B vitamins, great source of iron, and also protein. So I'm going to lay some of the spinach down first. And this is freshly washed baby spinach. Then I'm going to take some of my sauteed vegetables, lay it on top. I want a good collection of everything, the mushrooms, the red peppers, the onions, the corn, the beans. And then I'm going to wrap my burrito. So I want to first start by turning the side that is loaded with the vegetables to me, wrap the outer edge, and then go in. All right, so I want to make sure it's all nicely collected inside. And then wrap it across nice and tight. And you want to make sure it's nice and firm so when you cut through, it doesn't fall apart, okay? So there we are, a nicely cut bean burrito. Let's cut it in half. Give it a nice little slant for character. There you have it, the bean burrito. It's done, right? Usually what you want to do is finish in the oven, so you can actually put it in the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. Turn the temperature to about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And after 2 to 3 minutes, it'll help everything to kind of come crisp and nice and firm. Not too long because you don't want it to be too crunchy. All right. So that's our recipe number one and done.